wet mob, wet mob. Put that shit on the mob.
Mob, what it do, broski? It's your main man, young DaveyMcFlyy, 2 wise checking in, man. With that fire, broski. I absolutely love this shoe, man. We're about to lace up the reverse Brazil Nike Dunk Low today, G. And you know I'm going with a standard loose lace job. You know what I'm saying? You want to rock out how I'm doing. All you got to do is just make sure the lace tips are not touching the ground. Loosen the shoe up around the tension areas. Let it breathe a little bit. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you hit it like that, you looking good, bro. But yeah, man, I'm loving the green Nike swoosh surrounded by yellow. I want me a t-shirt like that, bro. But yeah, I want the original Brazil dunks too, but them joints are out of here. So for now, you know what? I'm satisfied with these. I actually love how they look on feet too. Y'all know I'm going for damn near anything that's green and yellow. But man, if you didn't know the rules to the lace game, let's run through it. You know what I'm saying? Rule number 1: women, cat, dog, frog, duck, polywog, truck, on, you know, book, bro. Whoever bought the shoe, that's who got to say and how they should be laced. Rule number 2: it ain't no wrong or right way to lacing your shoe, bro. If you got your own way, do you. If you like what you see, you know what I'm saying? Rock out with me, G. Rule number 3: if you don't like me, my videos, or what you see, get the fuck on, bitch. I'll catch y'all on the next video. And we got some fire on the way too, boy. Peace out, y'all.
I told